Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you. Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of, and now.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Sunny. Happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday, Lola Sunny. Blow kisses. Say mwah. Mwah. Yay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Sunny. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Saning!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ate Saning, si Tetet po. Happy 80th birthday to my favorite auntie. Sana'y pagpalain pa kayo ng mahabang buhay at sana'y madagdagan pa ang inyong mga apo. Ate Saning, isa na kayo sa mga pinakaswerteng tao sa buong mundo. You have everything. So, always be thankful for your blessings and sana pagpalain pa kayo ng Panginoon. God bless you. We love you. We miss you. Mwah.
Greetings from the Rosanes family. We just wanted to wish you a very, very happy 80th birthday celebration. I know it's been a long time since we've seen each other, but I remember fondly all the times when I visited the Philippines, and you always took care of us and made sure that I had the freshest mangoes cut from the trees or the newest snacks from Kakapasing's old store. So we hope that you're having a great birthday, and we hope that you and the family are having a wonderful time.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hi, Kakan Saning. It's Jay. I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. Sorry I couldn't be there for your 80th birthday. I would have loved to celebrate this birthday with you, but know that my heart and my love is with you. If I could give you the world, I would. May God continue to bless you abundantly, and may you have many, many more years of health and happiness. I love you so much.
So, Ate Saning, happy 80th birthday. Hari nawa ay sapitin mo pa ang maraming kaarawang darating na ikaw ay malusog at ligtas sa anumang sakit. May God bless you always. Alam ko na malaking handaan dyan. Sana andyan kami. At enjoy your birthday. Kumusta ulit? At kumusta sa inyong lahat? Sana mag-ingat kayong lagi. At kami din, we're all okay. Awa ng Diyos. Happy birthday ulit.
Ate Saning, nais kong bumati rin sa iyo ng very happy birthday. Have a very happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. And God bless you always. And sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday to come.
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday. Sorry, di ako makakapunta sa handaan mo. Pero sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko sa'yo. Ayan, oh. O, diba? Ay, hindi kita. Wait, yan. Binili ko na yung Burj Khalifa. Papadala ko na lang dyan sa Pinas, okay? Text ka kung di ka busy. I love you, Nay. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Pero sana makauwi kami ngayong Sunday. Pero, sabihin ko na sa'yo, mahal na mahal kita. And lagi kang magdadasal. Lagi mong gawin yung mga dasal. At saka, ingatan lagi ang iyong katawan. Love you!
Maligayang kaarawan po. Good health and long life.
Oh my God.
Go! Happy birthday, Nanay! We love you!
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Father gentleman.
watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip, watch me nay nay. Why me do